Question 4D, page 48. They've given us 2x minus 3y equals 6. 2x minus y equals 7. In the book it says they want us to solve through substitution. So I look at these two equations. Let's number them. 1 and equation 2. By looking at them, the second equation I can set equal to y pretty quickly. All it has is a negative sign in front of it. So I really won't have to divide by much. I'll just have to get rid of the negative sign at the end. So I'm going to set the second equation equal to y. So equation 2. 2x minus y equals 7. We'll move the 2x to the other side. Minus 2x. When I move the negative to the other side, it becomes y is equal to negative 7 plus 2x. So I now have an algebraic expression for y. I've set the second equation equal to y. Now, once I have this expression, I have to take this equivalent and plug it into the other equation. So because I started with the second equation, I now have to plug this into the first equation. Okay, guys? You can never plug it back in the first step to the equation you started with. So our first equation (2x minus 3y equals 6). Okay? So, y in this equation is here. I'm going to be replacing y with this expression. 2x minus 3, subtract 7 plus 2x equals 6. So, now that I've replaced y with that expression, I need to distribute 3. Multiply 3 times negative 7 and times positive 2x. 2x plus 21 minus 6x equals 6. I collect my like terms. Negative 6, positive 2. Negative 4x plus 21 equals 6. Move positive 21 to the other side. It becomes negative 21. Now, now that I have this, I need to still isolate for x. So, I need to divide both sides by negative 4. So that's every number divided by negative 4. X will equal negative 6 over 4 plus 21 over 4. Okay? Now, my denominators are both over 4. That works out great. So I can add them together. X equals positive 15 over 4. So we have a fraction. Positive 15 over 4. That is equal to, if we want to turn it into a mixed fraction, guys, 3 and 3/4. Right? 3 3/4. So we can use it either way. We can work with a mixed fraction or an improper. When I go to substitute back in, an improper fraction will be easier to work with. Okay, guys? Why'd you do that? Yeah. Okay, so we're still not finished. We have a value for x. I need to plug that in to solve for y. So let's go back to our second equation. Let's use that one again. Second equation. 2x minus y is it 6 or 7? 12. Okay. We have our second equation again. This time we're going to substitute in for x. This value will be replacing x in our other equation. So we'll do it 15 over 4 minus y equals 7. Okay? That means I'm going to be multiplying fractions. 2 as a fraction is 2 over 1. And when we multiply fractions, we do the top numbers by each other and the bottom numbers by each other. So on the side, I'll do a little side note for you. It'll look like this: 2 over 1 times 15 over 4. I multiply straight across and straight across. My answer will be 30. 15 times 2 is 30. 1 times 2, sorry, 1 times 4 is 4. So my answer is 30 over 4. So I now have 30 over 4 minus y equals 7. I have to isolate for y, so I got to bring it to the other side of the equation. Negative y, 7 minus 30 over 4. Let's get rid of that negative y and then solve for this stuff at the end. So this will become y equals negative 7 plus 30 over 4. Finally, I got to get a common denominator. So to get a common denominator, I need to get this 7. Right now, if I put it as a fraction, it's the equivalent of negative 7 over 1. I need to have a common denominator. Because the other one's 4, I can turn this one into 4. I'll need to multiply the top and the bottom of the fraction by 4. I'll have negative 28 over 4. So I'm changing negative 7 to now negative 28 over 4 plus 30 over 4. Now that I have a common denominator, I can add the two together. Y equals 2 over 4, or a half, 4.5, however you want to represent. This is fine. You guys can stop here. I'll have two coordinates now. Remember, if we're looking for a point of intersection at the end, let's always try to write it in coordinate form. My y is 2 over 4, and my x was 15 over 4. Okay? That's my x value, that's my y value. And the final answer.